Some of uno Jamaican really need something to do.
Uno no come pan ya come tell me what me fi do with me head. You hear me tell no? No come tell me what me fi do to me head. I fi me head. If me want tie it up there in there out, I fi me one. Una worry about the wrong thing. You see, if you go spend $200 for buy one here, then go here just go spend $200. A $400 that you know what $400 can do? Put towards a down payment towards another house. And if every time I do me here, we can put that $400 or $300 down in our account. In the next couple of years, we can use that money as a down payment to buy an investment property, and we can go rent it out and collect rent from it. Oh no, please, let me tell you something. Me no nyam out of my head. Me no watch people. Me no care where you want say. So you waste your breath and your time. And let me tell you this. A lot of uno left no country come here. And when you no go a party, uno use uno last dime go do hair and nails, and tomorrow uno not even have dinner, and uno parents not depend on for look of food. Yeah, me I say it because it's true. Because when you in my inbox and I say, like, oh, you do your video, them you can't do your ear. Me no want to do no ear. I saw me want to do it. I saw me feel comfortable. No tell me what to do. Stop telling me what me to do with my head. I'm my own. And if me comfortable like this, when I make it bad on the phone, when you in my inbox I say, like, oh, me I do video, me can me tan, me beard, me clean, me no smell, me no have odor, me nice. But I make that bad on when I make my ear tie up my head, the bad on for. No for uno, if you no really and truly take their money, they will not have a waste. No, not gonna regret it in the life to come. You not gonna regret it. You no better pinch pan the little dime or no have. No pinch pan it. Drought is coming. So no take it on. Me not burn no fire pan the ear just of them. No, don't get me wrong. But I'm just saying, that's just not me. And you cannot change me into something that I'm not. You have people take up themselves when they go in at the big brand store them and go buy the shoes them, come home, they not have no money. At the last dime they have, then take it go a party, go buy NOC for hype. I don't have time for that, baby. I never have time for that from young. Now me older, me not see what it sense because the more you're old is the more you learn. So when you're in my inbox, let me tell you now something. This is how a lot of wanna stay. And you know it's Jamaicans. Jamaicans. They do this. And them in my inbox, you know. I know nobody else. And them must tell me have to block some of them. Me must do here. I tell you some more the year, look for me nails them. Me make dumpling every time. Me not have time to go do nails. Me not have no time for it. And when me in my kitchen, me like cover my ear because me no want no hair in my food to come tie up my tripe. That's why me not even like eat so that tool that I wrote because me no know what me I eat. Me cook in my house. Me been there, me used to it from my mother cook on wood fire out a door, never have stove with buckle lamp at night time, all that. Whether day or night, sometimes she cook early if you know she have the time. If night catch her, she use buckle lamp and cook. So at the end of the day, we not care about them things. As some my grandmother used to tie up her hair every day. But drop off her head, drop her shoulder. We no can't force people on social media to be who they don't want to be. So just leave it alone. Me telling you this already. I have a jar full of head cover. Everywhere me go, me in them. So if you see me on the street, me in this. Me no business. Me not name off of me head. Me use my money and buy good food and feed my body. Pay my bills them. And if me can save one little chopants, me have to put in a one little investment trust. Like in a one little bank. Where me can get one 5 or 6% on it. Drop it in there like a little partner. That you fit do. Do that with your money. Invest it. So the next start now. Start now. Say, oh, you know the money that when me go in at this Louis Vuitton or the Gucci and go buy for this, start to put it in a one little funds. If a $600 cannot know they're not in a Gucci or them store there for less than maybe $500. Not much no in there for under that. Maybe one little purse or one belt. I think maybe. When you go in the store, they have big money. And which part they make? When you look in the tab, which part they make? If you, every time when you go a party, if you take that money and put it in a one little trust, you see, a lot of time when you get partner draw, I want to take it out and go use it and buy foolishness. Every time you get a partner draw, you buy something that me can look pan. Something when me I get partner draw. Back then, it used to go towards me pay them school. That is an investment to pay them school fee. That an investment for them. No. First partner draw, when me get in America, and put it in a paperwork to file for my children then. That is an investment for them to come which part me then. Give me like a peace of mind. As me it feels so terrified leaving them behind. So I'm just saying, me always use my partner money for something good. Me now get partner money. Oh, me have to do my ear. Oh, me have to do my nails. Oh, me have to go buy clothes. Leave me alone. Not take no set for me. Okay? Leave me alone. Don't come tell me nothing about he could do me here. And me make me headband them. We go in at the fabric store, buy the material, sew them with me hand. Yes, me not take it off because me here want comb. Yes, it's long with my hand and sew them come in and off use machine. And me wear them go everywhere. Yes, so no go and go make them and sell them. I sell me out to go make some and sell them. So no can sell it because when people ask me where me get them from. I go to the fabric store, sit down with my hand and sew them. Don't leave me alone. Nah, come back on no thing. More than feel like a video. Hit the like button, man. That you fi do. And tap tell me about me fi do me head. I'm gonna use the money do something positive. Sure. Goodbye. Trouble me, man. Come in and trouble you. Only speak my heart. Speak from my heart. Me only I speak from my heart over here. And me I try to knock some sense in now. Cause you not use no sense wise. You know, the time I go come, I listen to this story. When since my son come back from over the Middle East. And him tell me say, where him was, you have people pass. You have people pass from hunger. And we there with the ungrateful self every day, a cuss and a go on and a go on. Some of we need to face some of them, Cindy. We learn, we listen, and stop being ungrateful in this life. Goodbye. I have one more thing. Don't forget to hit the like button. And thank you to all of my donors them who stick around and support me, who be there, who in my comment section, who big me up, who give me good encouragement. God bless you. No. Even the ones them where I come at me, God bless you no too. I mean that. From the bottom of my heart, me mean it. Cause as I said before, I just I speak from my heart. No grudge, no nothing. Me I speak and I express myself. And if you don't listen, you can apply some things to what me say to your life and change it. As me not telling no foolishness. Yeah, I've been through it. So me know what me I talk about. Okay? Been through it. I've been through it. And as me telling you, go over Amazon, go support my book. I wasn't okay. And also, hold on there. Also, I have a journal on Amazon. Go and look it up. Okay? I wasn't okay. If you type it in over there, you will see my journal. Go ahead and support me. This journal has give you a lot of things. Every morning you get up, have a plan what you want to put into this journal. Every single page come with things that is inspiring and motivate you. So, me not worry. Me look like somebody I worry. Yeah. Make make yourself be occupied. Okay? Love yourself. Me love myself. So me now sit down and ball when you no tell me nothing. But I'm just saying, when you leave me alone, not trouble me head. Later, love you no same way. Bye bye.